Okay, a little bit in the hole. Need to squeeze out a little more glue. Okay, and we're going to just finish up putting the glue in the holes. There we go. Now we're ready to put the front together. Just like we did before, make sure you have the right one. This is F1. It goes on the top, front 1.